Martin Biener just in the background there, the winner from Hoogerheide. Maybe just got a little bit too warm for him. The mud's come.
And we are underway with the final race here of the Cyclo-cross World Championships for the first time ever in the United States. And
Peters, Van Toornhout, Van der Haar, top three around the first corner. One of the few times Van der Haar's not led, probably off the road at the start this year in the World Cup. Got a bit squeezed out by Rob Peters there, but that's where the crash in the women's race occurred, but all good so far.
Yeah, so look at the Belgians up front here. 1, 2, 3, 4.
You've got to remember, Peter, these guys finished top 7 at Coxside last year in the World Championships. It's a surprise when there's a different colour in that line.
Well, a national sport with a passionate international following in Belgium. The snow, which by dawn's first light today had blanketed the venue, is now all but disappeared.